Welcome to our guide on how to prevent everyone from adding members in a Telegram app group on PC. Let's walk through the steps to manage group permissions effectively. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org to access the web version of Telegram on your PC. Once you've accessed the website, locate and open the specific group you wish to manage within the web version of Telegram. Within the group chat interface, click on the three dots icon situated at the top right corner of the screen to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Select Manage Group from the drop-down menu, and then choose Permissions to access the group's permission settings. In the permission settings, find the option labeled Add Members, and make sure to disable it by toggling it off. This action will prevent everyone in the group from adding new members. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily configure the group permissions in your Telegram group on PC, ensuring that only designated members have the ability to add new members. Telegram offers a user-friendly platform for managing group settings, allowing administrators to customize permissions to suit the group's needs and preferences. Implement these steps to restrict the ability to add members in your Telegram group on PC, fostering a controlled and focused group dynamic. Happy managing your Telegram groups on PC.